I've been hugely impressed to see how we are able, through the facility that we have here, to look at the entire country and see how we can get data and information about the incidence of infection of the coronavirus throughout the country, but more importantly, how we are able, using science and technology, to drill it down to almost provincial, district, municipality, ward level, and street level, to know, as they track the people who are infected, to be able to know where the higher and the more vulnerable areas in our country are going to be. But I was also hugely impressed to know that through one of our partners, through Vodacom, who are going to distribute to our health workers lots of telephones, mobile phones, that are going to have the apps. And here is the CEO of Vodacom coming to demonstrate and give us the phone that is now going to be used by our health workers throughout the country. 20,000 of them will have this phone with an app that will enable us to get the data right to this center here at the CSIR in real time. As they input the data, as they screen our people, get all the information, it appears immediately here, and then through this they'll be able to direct people for testing to hospital and places like that. So we are immensely grateful that we do have partners who are coming forward to assist us in this fight against coronavirus. And I'd like to thank Mr. Shamil, the CEO of Vodacom, for lending a hand and giving support to the nation through the distribution of this 20,000 phones. We said we would be engaging 10,000 health workers. Now he is saying we should increase it to 20,000. And that's precisely what we are now going to do. Thank you very much for your support and assistance. Thank you very much for the phones as well. Maybe you want to say a few words.
Thank you. When we got the call, the coronavirus, as you know, had devastating impacts all over the world. So when we got the call from government to step up and to help, that's exactly what we've done. And the phones is just one way in terms of which we're trying to assist government with this big issue that we're faced with. So the 20,000 phones will come with minutes, 500 minutes and 5 gigs of data that we will also provide to health workers to be able to get the information back after the scanning in real time. So this is just one of the efforts. We're also trying to help government in supporting with big data analytics on the one side, and Mr. President also on the Vodacom eSchool platform, which is available in all 11 official languages. All the syllabuses from grade R to grade 12 is there. It's all completely free, and has also videos and tests and so on that's available as well. The virtual doctor platform that we launched last week in partnership with Discovery, where will hopefully also take pressure off the health system, where there's a simple scanning through USSD and the app, and then also where you can access a virtual doctor if you're seen as high risk. Vodacom and Discovery has put a fund of 20 million to basically sponsor the consults, so that at least that can also take some pressure off. And I think, Mr. President, we're here to assist in any way we can.
For more, go to ewn.co.za.